Hello, and welcome to another exciting video about xACTION, the bridge between xAPI and enterprise systems. I'm your host, Art Workentine. Today we are going to look at how you can paste JSON into the setup for outbound REST calls. This can be a real time saver when the REST service you are calling requires a lot of properties. If you've seen some of my other xACTION videos, you may remember the live resume system. In that system, we were calling a live resume to add a skill to a person's resume based on inbound xAPI statements. And you may also recall that it required a lot of properties that had to be set up manually in order to call the REST API service. So I had to put in the properties and the values of the tokens that I wanted to call the service with. So is there an easier way to do that? Can we just paste in JSON and put in tokens and call a service? The answer is yes, we can. So this is going to be my next video, actually, the Credible system. I'm going to create a badge in it using xAPI statements coming into xACTION. But let's just look at the JSON portion in this video. So I'm going to check use text properties for JSON. You can also do this in the service and it will automatically be copied and pasted into you. And I went out to the Incredible site, the documentation, and just copied out the JSON for creating a credential. Now I took a lot of things out that I don't really need, but more importantly I need to put in tokens here. So the recipient of the badge, their name, will be the actor name, and that pastes in nicely. I need their inbox value here, and then the issued on, I want it issued on the last timestamp that a statement comes in. So if I get 5 statements, what's the last one to come in? That's when the badge will be issued on. And I can do that with a new token that has last timestamp as year, month, day. That's because that's the format that Credible needed. So I went ahead and added a new token for that. And now I'm set up. So as you can see, that was a real time saver for adding all of these properties one by one to the properties for the outbound service. Thank you for joining me for this short video about using JSON text pasted into xACTION for outbound calls. If you have any questions, as always, here's our contact information. Thanks again for watching.